Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're diving into bank and cash configuration and fiscal periods configuration in Odoo. These settings play a vital role in managing financial data, streamlining accounting processes, and ensuring compliance with fiscal regulations. Let's break it down step by step, complete with real-world examples. Let's get started. Open the Accounting module in Odoo. Go to the Configuration menu and select Settings. Here, you'll find the Bank and Cash section. Let's explore each option in detail. Bank and Cash configuration in Odoo. Efficiently managing your bank and cash data is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Odoo makes this process seamless with its flexible import options for bank statements. Let's explore the available formats. CSV import. Enabling CSV import allows you to upload bank statements in the popular comma-separated values (CSV) format. For example, imagine your bank provides monthly statements in CSV format. By enabling this feature, you can import the file directly into Odoo to reconcile transactions without manual data entry. OFX import. OFX, or Open Financial Exchange, is a widely used format for electronic bank statements. For example, if your bank supports OFX files, you can download your transactions and import them into Odoo. This eliminates the hassle of converting file formats manually. QIF import. QIF stands for Quicken Interchange Format and is commonly used for exporting and importing financial data. For example, let's say you use personal finance software that exports statements in QIF format. With this option enabled, you can import those statements into Odoo for unified financial tracking. CAMT import. CAMT files, or cash management files, are designed for businesses dealing with complex financial structures. For example, for businesses in Europe handling SEPA payments, CAMT import simplifies transaction processing by providing detailed reports directly from the bank. Now, let's talk about fiscal periods configuration in Odoo. Fiscal year. The fiscal year defines the financial reporting period. You can select the month and day on which your fiscal year ends. For example, in many countries, the fiscal year ends on December 31st. However, if your company operates on a different cycle, such as July 1st to June 30th, you can customize it here. Fiscal years. By enabling this option, you can define fiscal years that are longer or shorter than the standard 12 months. For example, if your business is transitioning to a new financial structure, you may need to create a shortened fiscal year, such as 6 months, to align with regulatory requirements. Once enabled, click the Fiscal Years button to create and customize these periods. Invoicing switch threshold. This setting allows you to exclude specific invoices from accounting entries based on a cutoff date. For example, let's say your company starts using Odoo in July but wants to exclude invoices issued before June 30th from the accounting system. By setting the switch threshold to June 30th, those older invoices won't be included in your financial records. Why these settings matter? These configurations ensure your financial data is accurate, complete, and aligned with your business needs. Bank and cash import formats save time by automating the reconciliation process. Fiscal periods help you maintain compliance with local accounting standards and adapt to unique business scenarios. Conclusion. In this video, we covered importing bank statements using various formats like CSV, OFX, QIF, and CMT, customizing fiscal years, and defining invoicing thresholds for precise financial reporting. By mastering these settings, you can simplify your accounting workflows and focus more on growing your business. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.